Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn how we can actually increase the server response time. So response time is actually based on your hosting servers. In our case we are using shared hosting. So if you go to Namecheap or any other hosting service provider, you can see that in the hosting sections we have a lot of different type of hostings here. So we are using shared hosting. So if we click here, and the other types are WordPress hosting, which is specific for WordPress, and we will not discuss this, it's irrelevant. Then we have the VPS hosting and dedicated server. So these three type of hostings are actually important, and they will provide you different response times. So what is shared hosting? Shared hosting is just like a you can say an apartment, and you have an apartment in a plaza or in a building, and which building has a lot of apartments and lot of other peoples as well, and they are utilizing the services of that building. So shared hosting is the hosting in which you will get a space on online, and that space is actually shared by other people as well, other websites as well. So definitely when there are a lot of other peoples or on the same server, then definitely your response time for your website will increase. So it will usually take 0.7 I think 0.7 seconds maybe, around, okay, sometimes 1.1 seconds, sometimes 1.5 seconds, and that will be the response time from the server. So definitely that time will be added to your website speed, and when you will try to open the speed, for example, if you see 7 seconds for opening time, then you should know that 1.1 seconds are actually from server response time. Okay, so for increasing this, you can actually use the VPS hosting. This VPS hosting means that you have a room, a separate room in a home. So for example, if you have the dedicated or a separate actually room, and that room is actually in a small house, and in this VPS hosting, definitely you will get more resources, and more server response time will be fast as compared to shared hosting. So you can see that shared hosting is starting from $1.5 per month, and the maximum is $5 per month approximately. And here you can see VPS hosting, the starting price is around $7 per month. So definitely it is expensive, but it has more resourceful. Okay, and then after that the dedicated hosting is there, which is actually you can consider it a house of your own. So you have a complete house with all the resources in that, and definitely in this you will get a more better performance for your website, and response time, and in the result your optimization of your website, and speed of your website, and server response time, everything will be increased in this case. So you can see that the starting price is around $42 per month, which is quite a big amount, and if you have a good enough business, then definitely you can go for this dedicated hosting, and hopefully you will be just can, if you can afford this hosting. In the beginning, definitely we can't afford this type of bigger hosting, and when our website will be on certain stage, and we are earning enough money from a website, then we can definitely afford shared hosting as well. So that is about the host server respond time, and definitely you can choose better hosting for better server respond time. Some settings are there for CDN and other things which we are actually little technical, and that will not be included in this course. But by utilizing that CDNs and SSL certificates combination, you can improve a little bit server time and other optimization of your website as well. That's it for this video. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.